Hey. Hey, Popsy. What up? Got you. Oh. Stop. Hello. Hello, please. Popsy, what up? Please, I want to have my tea. I'm going somewhere. I want to see a friend. Give me tea.
Now me, the daughter.
Whatever.
You say?
After I'm talking to you.
Wait. Now me born you?
I think so. My mom says so.
I'm not sure.
God, stay ahead, man. I don't like this shit, nigga.
You go ask a question again.
No.
Because not me put you for habele.
I should be asking you. What actually brought me here is I want to have my teeth fair.
Oh yeah, I can't beat me collect the teeth now.
What? Alright, let me come down to your level of understanding. Oh, come up that man. Let me have teeth fair. I'm going somewhere.
Well, anyway, you are not talking to me. Me, I don't even know whether you stand.
Oh, well, whatever. Down. Oops. Hello. Let me have teeth fair.
You the Chris?
No. Come again. Was that my head?
You the mad?
No.
You know the mad?
Yeah.
Now I know you have deficiency brain memorandum. You the idiot. Now that to me.
Whatever.
That one in English.
I can accept that from you.
Idiot. Come on, get out from my side.
Hey, give me transport. Let me come down to your level.
Oh yeah, I can't collect the transport now.
Give me transport, Mr. Man.
When you are through, you can go.
Okay, let me go back.
Who the papa?
I think my mom liked
I'm not sure that I'm born this weekend. Take us, Sam. Even my great grandfather generation, they're not born this kind of pikin now. Anyway.
Gaia. What is speaking?
Molly, I don't say you tired. They call me Gaia. Gaia. Swag for the name now.
Which one be Gaia? Now Gaia. Now me give you that name.
I don't want. You ain't better names. They give her swag, man.
Yes, go say this one's complete. 10 naira. No, go waste them as you waste the one of yesterday.
10 naira?
Yes.
5 naira, no see customer. 10 naira, walk up for the customer. Who want buy that?
Gaia, I don't want you. 10 naira. Gaia, I don't tell you.
Male.
If they don't buy, return my goods, come back.
After I go send me the tray on you.
If you wear my goods, now this house should they come back.
I don't hear.
Oh, go.
Yeah.
If you like, find trouble, come on.
I didn't find trouble.
Now what? Oh, I know.
Sorry. You got another two, man. I'm gonna pay you back with two. Oh.
That's not no more work today.
What is it?
Triangle last card.
Oh my God. Man.
Scorpion. Triangle last card.
What's that? Hey, pick two. Pick two. Hey, continue picking two. Festival of pick two. Oh my God. Last card. One lap.
You're a madman.
Hey, dude, you don't touch me. Dude, you harassing me. I don't like this shit. Hey, God, you harassing me, for goodness sake. You harassing me. Oh my God, you harassing me. I don't like this insult there. Oh, hey. Dude,
Give me the money.
Oops. Oh, who is that?
Give me my money.
Hey, damn, I got my beautiful sister. I want so much dollar. Hey, hold it for me. You got no money. Hey, let me go.
Give my money.
Let me go. I got money. Hey, whatever. I'm gonna forgive you your sins, okay?
man dey see
I'll
ya.
beat you.
Correcti.
I'll beat you.
Oya na, collect the money man dey see you na so dey. Come na, I dey look you. Hey, I dey look you.
I will fight on you.
See my market, so you go buy my. Hey, brother, I dey look you. This guy sees my body. Male! Mama! What's that to you? Male, see my body. Male, they follow me fast. Don't be your picky Kolo. It's my body.
Na Kolo beat you.
Now Kolo and his friends, they do gra-gra. Now see me, you know, so Kolo not get liver. Mama, it's my body. It's my body.
Who did this one to my pikin? What's Kolo doing?
Kolo. Kolo get liver. Now move.
You must come out.
Kolo move. Kolo get anything for body.
Sometimes I dey wonder whether na me born that pikin too shoe. Oh yeah, I will do it for this time. Which kind of nonsense be that one?
Makola, they live. You know, so this area boys, that's how they behave. You just leave them, I beg.
Na because of you, I for deal with her for this time today. Don't know say na Kolo born Kolo. Let me say, come. Oh, punish all of them for this time. Useless people. I'll give you.
Mama Kolo, make sure my food is ready before I lay the foundation of my house. Yes. On that stoop. If you like, pretend you not hear me. You not concern me.
Oh, excuse me. I forgot to put myself on a gear one.
Are these people new tenants in this company? Wait. No, my children do this. Don't be Kolo and Kenya be that. Wait. You know, say women, they don't trust them. You should say, let me give that woman belly when you born this children. Not be me. I need to ask that woman a question. They don't resemble me. They don't waka the way I tell the waka. Even though I know say my brain they touch. This one they don't even get brain at all. Get they behave like man. The man they behave like gay. No. I will ask them mama question. Yes. I don't enter. Mama Kolo, come on. Come explain where these children for come.
Okay? I'm moving my own problem time. Understand? Hey, sis. You don't stop me, understand? Oh, sis, I'm come. Hey, what's that? Oh, what's that? Hey, hold on. What's that? Oh, oops. Whatever.
Go, baby, don't tell me. After you enter road like that, person want cross your enter. Don't look for a body or motor.
Hey. Say what a man have been a woman.
Woman, they play music. I know those the best stuff for.
Hey, nigga, don't like this shit, man. How you hit me? Don't like that in a foreign country.
Man, they look me this guy like that again. But leave an ammo bunny like this, come on, see for your motor. Your white carton. You look guy. You might not look us. You know your feet talk. Let's say super glue to my mouth.
Hey, sis, it's okay. Why not, man? I'm gonna teach this to my lesson, man. Hey, dude. What's the problem? I mean, whatever. I can forget or forgive your lack of understanding, but let me tell you, in a foreign country, it's not done that way. You nearly broke my leg. You nearly condemned my damn leg.
For this area.
Look at my beautiful leg. You nearly condemned my damn leg.
Oh, white carton.
I'm gonna forgive you, okay? Otherwise, I will get carry arrested separate. Hey, cheese. We're gonna go off. This is just a Judas Iscariot.
No bully my cabal like this
forget.
next time. Oh, this your motor I go lesson now.
It's okay. Like, this is just one of the tippers we have in the country. Tipper. Yeah, hey, man. Let me revise and put my. I think it's the only one that has a car. I got it.